once again. And now guys, I'm gonna show you where I go every time I go to part-time. So we just passed by the Oregon Inlet Campground, and this is the Oregon Inlet on the right side. And here we go. We're going to Marc Bashnight Bridge. This is one time guys, I'm driving here on a foggy morning. I uploaded a short video of that. This is where it's at. So we're just driving slow right now. This is for me, a very long and high bridge. I was freaking out when my first time to drive in here. I get really nervous, but I overcome that. And later when I go back, I'm gonna take video of this bridge once again, going back to the Outer Banks. So this way is we're going to Hatteras Island. So I just put my camera guys on my center mirror. Good thing I got this tripod that it's bendable, the legs is bendable, so I can hang it on this center mirror. Don't worry guys, I'm not holding the phone. So here we go. So this is Bashnight Bridge. It's pretty. It's 7:20 in the morning. I was trying to catch up the sunrise, but I'll wake up late. So here we are. If you guys see the pile of sand on the left side, this is where every time there is hurricane. So we are here in the P Island National Wildlife Refuge. So that big pile of sand on the left side, every time there's hurricane, storm, high tide, all together, that pile of sand goes all the way here to the other side on the right side. Like this road is covered with that sand. So like so this island is gonna be closed. It can be reachable through ferries, I guess. Get a ride on the ferries if you want to go in here. So this machine, I don't know what you call that, I forgot about it, but it's they're always there just in case they need to fix the road, remove some sands on the road. So this is houses as well. That I'm cleaning. It's bright sunlight. I wish I didn't. I think this is it. Yep. I'm gonna try to park. That's why I don't wanna drive this big car, big truck. I know I'm gonna have a hard time parking. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. Okay. Oopsie. See, I didn't see that. Oh, my husband is gonna get mad at me. This car. I don't know what I'm trying to do. I'm having a hard time working. Oh dear Lord. Taking that. Okay, straighten it up a little bit. So I don't have a hard time going out later. Huh. Success, Norma. You did it. Work. So here I am, guys. Here we are. I mean, we are here in the house that I'm cleaning, and I can't take you guys inside in there, but it's not allowed. So thank you for watching. Bye.